Conversion of a galvanometer into a voltmeter. To measure the potential difference across the current element, voltmeter should connect parallel to it. A part of current flows through the voltmeter so that the current through the element decreases. So, a galvanometer can be converted into a voltmeter by connecting a high resistance series with it. If V is the potential difference of the cell, I is the current coming from the cell, Ig is the current flowing through galvanometer. Since galvanometer and resistance both are connected, same current Ig flows through resistance also. Current needed to produce full-scale deflection in the galvanometer equals current needed for unit deflection in the galvanometer, that is figure of merit, into number of divisions in the galvanometer, that is N. So, Ig equals N into If. Ig is the current with which galvanometer gives full-scale deflection. R is the high resistance which restricts the current through the safe limit Ig. G is the galvanometer resistance. 0 to V is the required range of the voltmeter. V is the potential difference of the cell. Since galvanometer resistance connection is parallel with the cell, the voltage drop across galvanometer resistance combination is V. According to Ohm's law, voltage equals current into resistance. So, voltage across galvanometer resistance combination equals current through galvanometer and resistance, which is Ig, into total resistance of galvanometer and resistance, that is R plus G. After rearranging, we will get resistance of the series resistor R equals V divided by Ig minus G. Then again after rearranging, the current required for the full scale deflection Ig equals V divided by R plus G. Since voltmeter is the series combination of galvanometer and high resistance, total resistance of the voltmeter Rs equals R plus G, which is higher than the resistance of the galvanometer. High resistance is used to convert a given galvanometer into a voltmeter of particular range. High resistance prevents the galvanometer being from the damaged due to the large current by its high value. High resistance increases the range of voltmeter by increasing the value of high resistance. Increase in current sensitivity may not necessarily increase the voltage sensitivity. The initial current sensitivity of a galvanometer Is equals NBA divided by K, and corresponding voltage sensitivity is Vs equals NBA divided by Kr. If number of turns of the galvanometer increases by n times more, then the new current sensitivity Is dash equals NBA divided by K, which equals NIS. Since NBA divided by K equals Is. If number of turns of the galvanometer coil increases by n times, the length is also increases by n times. Since resistance is directly proportional to length, hence resistance also increases by n times. So, the new voltage sensitivity Vs dash equals NNBA divided by KNR. After cancelling n, equation becomes NBA divided by KR. But NBA divided by Kr is initial voltage sensitivity Vs. Thus, even though current sensitivity increases, voltage sensitivity remains unchanged.